Hey everyone, this is Aylin. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see here, my pinky nail broke before I was able to do my next gel mani. So I'm going to take this opportunity to show you how I use the Madam Glam Builder Gel in a bottle to build a fake nail onto a broken nail. I've already cleaned and buffed my nail, so now I'm going to prep it with this IBD Power Bond. It's a gel bonder that you apply and you let it air dry before you put your base gel coat on. This step is not absolutely necessary, but it is helpful. It provides a layer of adhesion for your base gel and will help your extension last a lot longer. So the next step is to go in with the actual base gel. As you can see here, I'm using the Madam Glam Soak Off Base Gel Coat. I'm going to apply just a very thin layer onto my natural nail, and then I'm going to cure it. Now that my base gel is cured, I can go ahead and set up my nail form. Right now I'm just bending the form, getting it more flexible and trying to get it into more of a curved shape to match my nail. And then I'm going to peel it off and pop off the center piece and apply it to the bottom of the nail form to give it more stability. These forms tend to be pretty flat in the middle, so I usually have to trim them and add a bit of a curve so that they can sit more flush with my actual skin and nail. Once I get it fitted properly, I'm going to pinch the bottom of the form together so that it sticks, and then start pressing on the form itself to kind of shape it to the shape of my nail. Now I can actually go in with the builder gel. So I'm using the Madam Glam Soak Off Builder Gel in a bottle, and the shade I'm using here is called Builder Coral. It's this nice nude pinkish sheer color. To do a gel extension, you first want to start off by polishing on a thin layer of the builder gel. This is called the slick layer, and it's going to work as a foundation for when you start applying bigger beads of the gel. Once you're done applying your slick layer, do not cure it. We're going to start building up the gel extension right onto that wet layer of builder gel. Go in with a bigger bead of the builder gel and use the brush in light circular motions to start building up the extension onto your nail. Keep adding more product as necessary and working your way back and forth. Make sure you really get into the corners and the sidewalls, because if you miss those parts, that's where your nail is weak and you can get lifting or breakage. Here I'm just using the very tip of the brush to really get that product where I want it to go. I'm trying to make sure that I get those sidewalls, and I'm building out the actual free edge where the gel extension is going to be. I also make sure to keep my nail pointed downward, and occasionally I flip it over to make sure that the product's not pulling near my cuticles. Flipping your nail upside down for a few seconds will also help to create a natural apex on your nail and will make your nail extension much stronger. I'm pretty happy with how this extension looks, so I'm just going to clean up the edges a little bit with a brush dipped in acetone, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure. I'm not too worried about how the shape looks right now, because after I'm done curing, I am going to shape and buff. My extension is fully cured now, so I can go ahead and remove the nail form. Now that the form's off, I can see that my left side wall is not as strong as I would like it to be, so I'm just going to go in with some more of the builder gel and touch up that area so that it doesn't break. I've cured again, and now I'm ready to go ahead and shape and buff my nail. So first, I want to clean off my nail by spraying it with 99% alcohol and wiping it with a lint-free wipe. Cleaning the nail with alcohol gets rid of the sticky layer that's left over after the gel cures, and it makes it a lot easier to shape and file. I'm going to go in with my glass file and just start filing my nail until I get the shape that I want. Once my nail is shaped, I'm going to go in with my emery board and start buffing the surface of the nail to get rid of any lumps and bumps that may have been left over by the builder gel product. I'm also thinning out the product near the cuticle area and making sure that I have an apex, which means I have the majority of the product in the center of my nail, which will provide extra stability and strength for the nail extension. And here's how the finished extension looks. All that's left now is to clean it off, get rid of the dust, and then go in with either a color manicure or just a top coat. This builder gel works really well. I actually filmed this video about a month ago and I'm still wearing the nail extension. It hasn't lifted or broken at all for me, and I've removed 2 gel manicures already and it's still hanging on. So thank you everyone so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!